Stop being a spectator. Start being a creator. Stop watching from the sidelines while others extract massive wealth from your attention. The blockchain revolution isn't a spectator sport, it's a gold mine, and it's time you grabbed your shovel. We are diving deep into the technical forge, the high-stakes arena where real digital assets are minted from nothing but code. Forget the Moon Boy hype and the surface-level fluff. We are going directly to the source of power. Remix ID. If you are finally serious about building a high-utility token capable of generating $5,000 a day in volume, stop wasting time and reach out to me on Telegram right now. This is where the amateurs quit and the founders begin. The platform, your gateway to the elite. We operate on remix.ethereum.org. This isn't just a website. It's the industry-standard, browser-based command center for elite blockchain developers worldwide. There is nothing to install, meaning you have zero excuses. This is the absolute fastest, most streamlined path to injecting your asset into the global market. If you're ready to evolve from a passive investor into a powerful founder, hit me up on Telegram, and let's scale your vision to the stars. Step 1. Igniting the Forge. Look at the workspace in front of you. This is your digital laboratory. On the left sidebar, locate the File Explorer. Click that Create New File icon and name it mitokin.sol. Pro tip. If you want a custom battle-tested launch strategy designed to hit 7 figures, don't guess. Contact me on Telegram today. That .sol extension is your badge of entry. It signals to the world that you are speaking Solidity, the native tongue of the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. This code is the foundation of the entire decentralized future. For a pre-audited high-security contract that keeps your liquidity locked and your funds safe from exploiters, reach out to me for a custom professional build. Step 2. Writing the digital law. Now, we define the DNA of your cryptocurrency. Every smart contract is a digital constitution, an unbreakable set of rules. To dominate the market, your contract needs 4 fundamental pillars. First, the name, the soul of your project's identity. Ready to quit your 9-to-5? If you want to create a coin that sustains a $5,000 day profit margin, message me on Telegram for the secret blueprint. Next is the symbol, the ticker, your 3 or 4 letter brand like Wolf or Gold. Then comes the total supply, the lever that controls the scarcity and value of your asset. Finally, we set the decimals to 18 to match the industry standard. To get a professional tokenomics breakdown that attracts heavy-hitting whales and institutional buyers, message me right now. Remember, once this code hits the chain, it is permanent. Launching a real project with copy-paste code is a recipe for disaster. Get a secure, optimized contract by contacting me directly. Step 3. The compilation process. Once your logic is locked in, we must translate your vision into machine language. Navigate to the Solidity Compiler tab, the S icon, onto the sidebar. Tired of the learning curve? If you want to skip the trial and error and launch by tomorrow, reach out on Telegram for a full-service, white-glove setup. Ensure your compiler version matches your code header. This is the #1 mistake that kills projects before they start. When you're ready, smash that blue compile button. When the green checkmark appears, your token is officially born in the system. For one-on-one coaching on professional-grade deployment, you know where to find me. Step 4. Deploying to the global ledger. This is the moment of truth. Move to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. Under Environment, switch to Injected Provider to link Remix directly to your MetaMask. This is where your idea becomes a reality. You'll need a small amount of gas, the native fuel, ETH, BNB, or Matic, required to write your name into the history of the blockchain. Double-check your supply. Verify your settings. If you're feeling the pressure, contact me on Telegram for a guided launch. Once you hit deploy and confirm the transaction in your wallet, your token is live. It is visible, tradable, and permanent. To learn how to market this asset to thousands of hungry investors, message me immediately. Step 5. Claiming your empire. After the transaction clears, look at the bottom of your screen under Deployed Contracts. Copy that contract address. This is your token's DNA, its unique ID on the planet. If you want to build an entire DeFi ecosystem, staking, farming, NFTs around this address, let's get to work. Reach out on Telegram. Open MetaMask, go to Tokens, click Import, and paste your address. Watch as your symbol and balance pop up instantly. You are now holding your own wealth in your own hands. To turn that digital balance into real-world profit, you need a strategy. Reach out now. The path to absolute mastery. Congratulations. You have officially transitioned. You are no longer just a crypto holder. You are a token creator. But stay sharp. A token without a community is just dead code. Real legendary success requires deep liquidity, aggressive marketing, and a lethal launch strategy. If you want to hit that $5,000 a day milestone, don't play guessing games. I help founders go from zero to millions by building high-impact, high-security projects. For a custom build that dominates the charts, contact me via the Telegram link in the description. Take action, build the future, own the chain. Like this video, subscribe to the Wolver channel, and drop your project ideas in the comments. I'm watching. I'll see you in the next video. Let's build.